Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to change your name on Instagram in 2025. Whether you're rebranding yourself, fixing a typo, or just wanting a fresh start, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Instagram makes it easy, but let's break it down step by step so you don't miss a beat. First off, ensure you're on the latest version of the Instagram app, as updates might tweak the interface slightly. Open the app and log into your account on your mobile device. Sorry, PC users, this is mostly app-based. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. That's the one with your picture or initials. Step 2. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button just below your bio and profile picture. Give it a tap to open the editing options. Step 3. On the Edit Profile screen, scroll down until you see the Name field. This is where your current display name is shown. Tap on it to highlight and edit the text. Step 4. Type in your new name. Keep in mind Instagram's guidelines. Avoid anything offensive or misleading, as they might reject the change. If you're verified, this could affect your status, so double check. Step 5. After entering your new name, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and hit the Submit or Save button. Instagram will process the change, and it should update almost immediately. One quick tip: if you change your name too often, Instagram might flag your account, so use this sparingly. Also, remember that your username, the @handle, is different and can't be changed as easily. And there you have it. That's all it takes to update your name on Instagram in 2025. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.